Sawadee My name is Kid from Bangkok lawyer. I am a Thai lawyer. Today I'm gonna talk with you guys about the criminal proceeding here in Thailand. Of course, when we representing our client in the court, or we representing a lot of defendants here, we representing Thai defendant, we representing foreigners here in Thai court. And I have been asked by a lot of foreigners. Of course, they are my client, and they ask me when they get arrested, they get bailed out, they came and talk to me. What if I pleading guilty to the case? And when you pleading guilty under Thai law, there is a law to help you to get your sentence reduced half when you plead guilty to the Thai court. However, there is some interesting issue that I would like to emphasize to you guys that even you plead guilty in some offense, for the criminal lawsuit here. For example, like for the murder case, when defendant or somebody killing somebody, it's gonna be very serious offense under Thai law. That means you could be in jail, for the rest of your life if you found guilty, or you could get a capital punishment under Thai law. For the defendant who commit the murder offense, and then if they decide to plead guilty, will the judge can sentence them immediately, or will the judge be able to put them in jail immediately? No. Why? Why not? Because they are already confessing to the court that they killing somebody. They got the evidence. Under Thai criminal procedure code, when the defendant decide to plead guilty to the crime that they commit, if that offense contain the jail time more than 5 years, for example, for the murder case, like if you has been charged for the murder case here in Thailand, of course the jail sentence is more than 5 years. The maximum is capital punishment. Even though you decide to plead guilty to the court that you commit this murder, the judge still cannot give you the immediate sentence. The judge gonna have to listen to the evidence from the prosecutor first. That means even though the defendant decide to plead guilty, the prosecutor or the plaintiff, they're gonna have to provide the evidence to the court that how this defendant commit a murder. They're gonna have to find the murder weapon. They're gonna have to check the DNA if they have the blood DNA test. They're gonna have to provide the CCTV footage when the defendant going to that house and murder somebody, right? That's the work for the prosecutor. It's not that easy. Even though you plead guilty, the judge, I plead guilty for killing somebody. It's not finished yet, because the prosecutor gonna have to prove their case that they got the concrete evidence to prosecute the defendant, right? That's a Thai law for the criminal offense that contain the imprisonment more than 5 years. Even though the defendant decide to plead guilty, the judge cannot sentence them immediately. The judge must listen the evidence from the prosecutor first. If the prosecutor saying that, judge, I don't have the evidence to prove this murderer even though he plead guilty, so that means the judge could dismiss your case. The defendant could be acquitted. That's the law here. Alright guys, hopefully you guys can get some understanding about how the Thai law works for the pleading guilty in the case that in the serious offense under Thai law. Alright guys, and I hope to see you guys next time. ขอบคุณครับ สวัสดีครับ